coast of Barbados. There's a Category 1 hurricane with winds at 75 miles per hour.
We need plenty more. Two-stepping on the table, she don't need a dance floor. Oh my, good Lord. Someone pour me up a double shot of whiskey.